Hey homeowners, it's Jeff for America's Preferred Home Warranty with some cool tips on refrigerator maintenance. Your fridge gets more use than most appliances, so maintaining it is important. The good news is, basic fridge maintenance only takes about 15 minutes once a year. To get started, you'll first want to unplug your fridge so you can access the front and back panels safely. Now these panels are where most of the dust and dirt accumulates. Just be careful if you have water lines connected for your ice maker or water dispenser. Now, remove the front of the cover from the bottom of your fridge and vacuum the coils behind it using your vacuum's hose attachment. If the dust is hard to remove or reach, a condenser brush or a dry microfiber cloth can come in handy. Do the same behind your fridge, removing the cover and cleaning around the coils and cooling fan to allow better airflow. After both areas are clean and you've replaced the covers, feel free to plug it back in. For this next step, fill your sink with hot soapy water and use a damp cloth to clean fridge gaskets thoroughly. Also being sure to wipe the areas where the gaskets seal. Now this will help your appliance keep the cold air in and of course the warm air out. Last but not least, the FDA recommends your fridge is set below 40 degrees and your freezer is at 0 degrees to reduce the chance of food spoilage. Make sure inside vents have enough room to circulate air freely. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little fridge maintenance goes a long way in saving you cold hard cash. But rest assured, knowing if you're an America's Preferred Home Warranty customer, we're here to help you if your fridge breaks down due to normal wear and tear.